Hello guys, and so in this video I'm going to teach you how to make instant structures, okay? So you can just have any of your favorite structure, and if you throw any item, I'm just using a wooden plank, named a certain name, like for this one, example, if you throw it down and wait, poof. The item goes away, and you have your shield with a dispenser. Well, that's just what I made for this tutorial. And yes, it is weird. But if you do happen to break it, and it looks really crappy, and there's Bear, and you throw it down, oh yeah, by the way, this is Cat, it will just pretty much place the building, which will, like, repair it. So yeah, you get it. So if we go over here, I have something really cool that I made. Right here. So if I have, yes, Bear made this mansion, this thing. If we can have our Tesla towers. This is actually something that Dragon Oz made. He's a really good redstoner, and I mean, he makes really cool videos, so you should check out his videos if you're interested in redstone. So you can throw down the Tesla tower, and if you wait, boom, that one's a lot shorter. But watch this. If I go into adventure mode, it's not working. That's because I forgot to do something, so I'm sorry. Yeah, I just forgot to start it right in here. And there we go. Now, if we go onto adventure mode again, a Tesla tower pops up. And watch this. See? The Tesla tower lasers me. And it does 4 hearts of damage. And I died. Which is pretty cool. Okay. So, how do you do this stuff? Well, the Tesla tower, all that really uses... Here, let me turn off the redstone clock inside it. Because that's causing lag. The only way the Tesla tower is different is that it copies command blocks. So, if you want to make something like the Tesla tower, all you have to do is make it, and then you can use this to copy it. So, you're going to need, well, you only technically need, you only need 4 command blocks, but I'm going to use 5 for this situation, because if you add a 5th one, actually, this is something that NanoRex, I think it was NanoRex, yeah, he's a good redstoner, he made. So first you're going to want to know setblock, and then the coordinate, a coordinate that's right next to the command block, as a redstone block, and then 0 destroy. I'll have all the commands in the description, and then wherever that is, put a repeater, and then right next to that, do set block, and then the coordinates right next to it, air. So right now, I don't know why, but Minecraft makes it invisible, and right now there's some lag, so it's not going as fast as it should be, definitely not. So if we look in here, for the first thing, let's look in here. So, Bear, get out of the way. Now, so, oh my god, this is really laggy. Okay, so if you go, so what you want, well, first thing, before we do any of this, you're going to want to do scoreboard / scoreboard objectives, add, and whatever name you want, and then set it as a dummy, okay? Next, if we go down here, do scoreboard, players, add, the nearest entity, type equals item, and then right here, this is just whatever you put as the name of your scoreboard. 1, and then item, tag, display, name, and then whatever you want the name to be of the item. In this case, mine's EX or example, like that oak wood. So this is whatever you want the item to be named. So whatever you name your item, that's what's going to trigger this, okay? So after that, well, while doing that, also do, this may take a while because it's so laggy, execute, which is the new command. PS, you can only do this in the snapshot. Execute nearest entity, score, and then right here, instead of EX, put whatever you named your scoreboard, not the item, whatever you named your scoreboard. Minimum equals 20, or you can change that around if you want to. The lower it is, the quicker it'll take for it to generate. And mine's just at 20, so it takes a while, so that way it doesn't just immediately pop up. And then right where that item is, and then clone, because what that's going to do is it's going to execute wherever the item is that has the score of whatever you named your scoreboard, 20, because items are now mobs. Items are now count as mobs, entities. So after what the execute is going to do is /clone, and then whatever coordinates. So right here, it's from it's from this coordinate right here. It's from here to here. So make a 3D cube like this. It's inside this cube from one corner to the opposite corner as your coordinates. So like in this case, it is from these three coordinates, from XYZ to this XYZ, and then you can mess around with these coordinates depending on where you want it to spawn from where the item is. So like if you want it to spawn really far away from the item that you throw onto the ground, then you just have to make these coordinates to really far away. Now after that, put a redstone comparator. A redstone comparator, and in it, this is the really easy part. Put /kill or just kill if it's in a command block. Kill all entities which score, and then whatever your scoreboard's name is, not whatever your item's name is. The minimum 20, okay? Oh yeah, I'm sorry for the rain. I don't know why, but whenever I'm recording, it always rains, and that's pretty depressing. So after that, you should be good. So all you need to do is name your item. Like this is give the nearest player planks. That's how many, and then 0 because I want the wooden type of plank, and then the display name is EX. So if I press it, I'll get 5 wooden planks named EX, and then make sure you have something built in those coordinates. So like if we didn't want this force field, I mean this is a pretty weird thing that I made. I don't know why I made it. I just felt like making it. So anyways, so if we destroyed this force field, now, if we go over here, and we blow up all of this, well, not really blow up, but just destroy all the blocks. Sorry, you can skip ahead or whatever. So anyways, once we destroy all of this, oh yeah, and command blocks and dispensers will still have the commands in them if you clone the area. So now, if we throw the EX, the example, and we wait for it to generate, see there's no force field, so it'll copy in whatever boundaries you put, and you can make it as big as you want. Like I can literally copy this whole world section, although I don't think my computer would like that. Or yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like it, and hopefully it'll be useful to you, and remember to comment on what you would like next from us. So this is Cat16 logging out.